This is a brand new 2014 Hyundai Tucson. This crossover has a 6-speed automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, speed-sensitive volume controls, a multi-link rear suspension, hill descent control, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: Hyundai BlueLink, commercial-free satellite radio, aluminum wheels, leather seats, 12-volt power outlets, a passenger side airbag, rear seat child-proof door locks, active front headrests, a power driver's seat, and the HomeLink transceiver can be programmed to use the same frequency as your remote opening devices, such as the garage door, the entry gate, or even the living room lights, enabling you to control them right from the driver's seat. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.
Thank you for considering Doral Hyundai for your next vehicle. If you have any questions, please visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership located at 10285 Northwest 12th Street in Doral.